Today I will discuss the Nove-nasal condensation. Here we take an aldehyde or ketone compound which reacts with malonic ester in presence of piperidine or pyridine molecule to give ethylidine malonic ester. This is an ester compound. That means this is the ester group. COOR. Here R is equal to C2H5. This is called ethylidine malonic ester. This on hydrolysis give ethylidine malonic acid. It is acid because it contains COOH group. Here 2 COOH group is present here. This is called ethylidine malonic acid. This on heating gives this protonic acid, or the IUPAC name of this protonic acid 2-butanoic acid, because here this is the carboxylic group, here this is the double bond, that means alpha beta unsaturated acid. No, this is called alpha, this is alpha, this is called beta. There exists a double bond, so this acid is called alpha beta unsaturated acid. The name of this is protonic acid, and here carbon dioxide is evolved. So this is also called decarboxylation. That means on heating, ethylidine malonic ester forms protonic acid. Let us start the mechanism of Nove-nasal condensation reaction. Here it consists of 3 steps. In the step 1, this base, for example piperidine or pyridine, base extracts the proton from the malonic ester. This is extracted by the base to form this BH. Base will be the atom which can donate the electron pair to the proton will be positively charged, and this electron between the hydrogen and carbon will come to the carbon to form this carbon ion. Actually, in this Nove-nasal condensation reaction, in the mechanism state, the carbon ion is the intermediate product. This is the carbon ion. In the step 2, the ethanol, which is the main reactant, ethanol or aldehyde reacts with this carbon ion to form this another intermediate in which, that means here we know the oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. It will extract the bonded electron pair, one of the bonded electron pair towards itself, forming the carbon positively charged. This carbon, positively charged carbon, is satisfied by the electron pair of the carbon ion. That means this carbon will bonded to this carbon. That means this is the bond. This is the bond between this carbon ion and this carbon atom. That means this is the intermediate, again the intermediate compound. This on reaction with this compound, that is base, and which extracts the hydrogen or proton, then liberating the base, it will form this compound where the hydrogen atom of the base will come to the oxygen atom to form this compound, and ultimately on heating it will form the ethylidine malonic ester. In the ethylidine malonic ester, the double bond between carbon will form by this. We know that oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. It will capture the electron pair towards itself, so it will form OH minus, and this is proton. The electron pair will come to this. That means carbon will be double bonded. That means pi bond will form here. Then this OH and H plus both will form this water. In the second step, we get the ethylidine malonic ester. In the stage 3 of the mechanism, the ethylidine malonic ester on hydrolysis in presence of base gives ethylidine malonic acid. Here 2 carboxylic acid group is present, which on heating, this is on heating, liberates carbon dioxide, that means decarboxylation reaction occurs to form the alpha beta unsaturated acid, which is called 2-butanoic acid. This is the final product of Nove-nasal condensation reaction.